important in this story, because what we have seen also is that a lot of the information that is used to fit these models is coming from a prototype of farmer. And usually it's coming from a farmer that is a man. And we want to make sure that these innovations, that the revolution of AI, is reaching both men and women in the agricultural sector. Therefore, we are working with Digital Green and other partners to make sure that we really are considering that in terms of the information that is feeding these models, and therefore that the agro-advisories that come from this information are tailored to all women and men farmers, so that these advisories can be applicable and they can reduce losses and they can help to reduce poverty. The other part of the equity variable of this equation is making sure that, for instance, if we are using phones to deliver these advisories, women can also access, and we have seen that in many countries, there's a difference between the ownership of mobile phones between men and women. So we are innovating in terms of how we can deliver that, the same thing as how we can deliver these agro-advisories in different languages so that everybody can benefit from this revolution. We're also working on AI, on producing better weather forecasts. We see a lot of potential in terms of delivering high quality of information, and something that Bill has said many, many times is, every single small-scale producer in the world, doesn't matter if he or she lives in the US, in UK, in Colombia, they should have the same possibility to access the same quality of information to make decisions. And this is what we are trying to do, and we are connecting, we are working with a variety of partners at different levels, all the way from the global to the local, so working with the Googles, but also making sure that we are strengthening the capacity of the national meteorological offices to make sure that they're using these better weather forecasts and using AI technologies all the way into transforming and translating this information so that it can land in the hand of farmers, both men and women. So